Hello my dear audience, welcome to my channel Crockery and Cutlery Tales. Today is a special day as my sister has taken over my kitchen. She has prepared a dessert item for you all. It is named as Double Decker Mango Vermicelli Custard Jelly. I hope from the name itself you can understand that it is a fusion recipe involving use of various ingredients like custard powder, vermicelli, nuts, cherries, mango, and of course chocolate sauce. I hope you all will like it, so let us begin. We are taking 100 to 150 ml of slightly cold milk. You can also take milk at room temperature. Then we are adding 1/4 cup of custard powder. We are using vanilla flavor custard powder, that's why the color is golden. Stir the milk properly so that there are no lumps. You can see how well the powder has mixed with the milk, and now we can go on to our next step. In the pan, we are pouring around 400 ml of milk. Now the milk needs to be boiled for some time. Keep stirring in between. After it is boiled for around 4 to 5 minutes, we are adding 3 cardamom pods. This will give a nice aroma to the custard and also will increase its flavor. The flame is kept in low. We do not want to burn our milk. We are adding 1/3 cup of sugar. You can add more if you want. Now the milk mixture with the custard powder has come to a normal temperature, and now we will be pouring it in the milk. Add 1 spoon at a time so that no lumps are formed. After pouring, spoon by spoon, we are adding the rest of the milk. Now we are adding little bit of clarified butter or ghee. The most important task is to keep on stirring the milk mixture. At last we are adding the vermicelli. Vermicelli which I am using is already fried. So if yours is not, then you can first fry it in clarified butter or ghee. The milk should be reduced till it thickens, and now the custard is ready. Now it is turn to cut the fruits and the nuts. Chop the mangoes into small cubes. The chopping of the mango is done. So now we will move on with the nuts. We are using cherries, almonds and raisins. First we are chopping the cherries into round shape. Now chopping the almonds. This dessert can be prepared very quickly. So if you have sudden sweet craving, you can make it and have it. And you can also serve your guests when they suddenly arrive. Now in a bowl, we have placed aluminium foil in which we are brushing ghee. Then adding chocolate sauce. Over that, pouring the vermicelli custard. Even out the custard with spatula. Add mango cubes. Pour another layer of custard vermicelli. Even it out with the spatula. Then add the chopped almonds. Adding the raisins and the cherries. Another layer of custard goes in. Keep repeating and alternating the process until it reaches the brim. Try to give it a clean finishing. As the vermicelli custard is hot, so we are pouring water in a bowl and then above it we will place the bowl of custard. We are doing this so that the custard quickly comes down to the room temperature. Now we will refrigerate it for 1 hour. We have placed it in a plate and now we will be opening the silver foil. You can see that the custard jelly has got a good shape when kept inside this bowl. As we unwrap it, we find the chocolate sauce at the top. As we intend to make a double-decker custard jelly, that's why we are adding another layer over the previous one. It has been garnished with mango cubes as well as cherries along with some almonds. The dripping chocolate sauce can be seen in the second layer. So if you like this special dessert, give a thumbs up to our video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.